towards the possibility, maybe centuries from now, of engineering ways of using them, of creating wormholes and using them for transportation of human-like organisms?
I think wormholes are a perfectly valid construction to consider. They're just a curve in space-time. The topologically, which has to do with the connectedness of the space, is a little tricky because we know that Einstein's description is completely in terms of local curves and distortions, expansion, contraction, but it doesn't say anything about the global connectedness of the space. Because he knew that it could be globally connected on the largest scales. This kind of origami that we're talking about, that you could travel in a straight line through the universe, leave our galaxy behind, watch the Virgo cluster drift behind us, and travel in a straight line as possible, and find ourselves coming back again to the Virgo cluster, and eventually the Milky Way, and eventually the Earth, that we could find ourselves on a connected, compact space-time. And so topologically, there's something we know for sure, something beyond Einstein's theory that has to explain that to us. Now, wormholes are a little funky because they're topological. You know, they create these handles and holes in these sneaky, by topological, I mean these connected spaces, and
Yeah, it's like Swiss cheese or
like
something.
Swiss cheese, and so I could have, I could have two like flat sheets that are connected by a wormhole, but then wrap around on the largest scale, all this cool stuff. There's nothing wrong with it, as far as I can see. There's nothing abusive towards the laws about a wormhole.